I'm still eating. Yeah, Beshi. Re-rising because I don't have brain anymore. As much as I wanna play Dota, I don't think my brain can. And my fingers can also.
My blood reserves
After
run low.
playing, what do you call this? After playing Plate Up. Baka bigla ako magkaroon ng red carpet talaga. Literal. So, I'll play V-Rising lang muna. Anyone playing V-Rising? It's time, V-Rising. Oo talaga. Katapos ko lang mag-plate up. And I was like done eating my brunch. Nice. Gusto ko sanang Gusto ko sanang mag-Dota. But my brain is not ready for it anymore. I've been awake like for how many hours now? My stream is like 8 hours ongoing right now. Yeah. Wag mo na pakalma brain mo. Ito na, papakalma muna ako ng brain. Grabe yung plate up kasi namin. I was like, I don't know, it was hard. Kasi dalawa lang kami. Usually, tatlo kami kasi dun eh. But since Nano is not around, dalawa lang kami ni Ed. And it's hard without automation available. So yeah, let's go.
From my veins, I rejuvenate.
Ano ang ginagawa ko dito sa bahay ni Hotdog? Ba't ako nandito? Why am I here? Wala na guys. Fishing meta na ako guys. All I do is fish na. Fisherman na lang ako dito sa larong to. That was fucking weird. That movie is so weird. Ang liit lang pala ng fishing area. Makakakuha ba ako ng marami dito? Ano ba yan? Ito lang talaga gawin ko. I'll just get like 5. So, meron na akong pwedeng i-feed dun sa prisoner. I mean, sa guest. So that I don't have to buy. But fishbone. Aanin ko yung fishbone. Hello. Hi, Ken. Good afternoon. Is it afternoon? It's still played up at least for me. Oh yeah, I was not able to change it yet. Thank you for reminding me. I was playing plate up a while ago. There you go. I hope it's okay now. Oh, it's still played up. There you go. Thank you very much. Who that? Who that? Why? Ha? Abaw, sunrise na. Anong titignan ko? Okay, wait lang po. I don't have castle throne. Oh yeah, sa labas nga pala. Dito muna ako. Baliw. Beshi ko baliw. Yung beshi ko baliw. Yeah.
Aha, a fine vintage.
Hello, Renjiro. Pagod ata kayo ah. Sila, yung mga nag-dotes. Yeah. I'm about to install Dotes. Teach me how to play. You asked the wrong person, my friend. The person is not that good at Dotes. You are asking the wrong person. No. Ask Ryuji. Ryuji sometimes play with me. He better teach you than me teaching you. What will I teach you? How not to ward? How not to aggro when you are a support? So that you will not die? I don't know, man. Hello, Ken. You're back. And we're back. Are you bonking me? Meron akong prisoner. 77% ang kanyang ano. Do I have sulfur? I was gonna ask if that was your prisoner. It is. It's not my prisoner, it's my guest. Yes. Di natutulog. Wala eh. Maya konti. Kakakain ko lang ng ano. Ako ba? Kakakain ko lang ng lunch. Maya konti. Baka antukin ako eh. Hindi. Hindi pwede eh. Lang matutulog. Yes. I'm afraid that I will not be able to play much on the coming week because I have to prepare for the graduation and shit. It's the graduation preparation. Kaya ako ang gagraduate talaga, yes. I wanna put one more here and then another one here. Can you give me blood? There you go. Good job. You did good. I'll feed you so that you will not die. Eat this. There you go. You will not die with that, right? You cannot die on me. You're not allowed to. Hey, why am I so big? Ang init. Ang init talaga. Why it's so hot?
I require more resources to make that.
Ano kayang... Iniwan nila ako dito kaninang umaga. Tulog silang lahat. Oo kaya. Oo kaya. Maya, kakakain ko nga lang. Ay nako. Kawawa naman si hotdog. Did I like... Oh, I don't think... I can collect my things from Nano's place now. Since I have my own place. No space. Okay, I'll go back for that then. Sa taas na lang siguro. Sino? Sino? Sabog na kayo. Kaya nyo yan. Unti na lang. You can do that, guys. You can do that. I believe in you. Oh, I have plank. Ah, gem dust. Relax lang daw kayo. Relax lang. Hello, Jacob. Kaya niyo yan, Beshi. Go fight lang. Fight lang ng fight. Teka nga, manood din ko nga muna kayo. Di naman ako mamamatay dito kahit AFK. Lalaro, tulog na yung isang mata. Uy! I want. Hello, Rumo. Hello, hello. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you? Good afternoon. It's after. Oh, shit. It's good. It's almost 1 p.m. Yes, Father. Hindi, nakatulog kasi ako. Kumain na ba kayo as a friend? Nag-lunch ako ng pepino. Ha? You're missing something, Father. You're missing something? No? Okay, good. What? Ang what? Meron. Nag-work sa akin, no? Yeah, pero hindi siya pwedeng walang any wall. Kahit isang pillar lang, Father. Sa pinaka-corner. Tapos, saka mo invisible lahat. Like, may one pillar siya. Ito yung gagawin kong gem room. So, kiss me. Ayaw talaga. Wag mo na daw, wag mo na daw ituloy yung balak mo, father, pag ganyan. Base building for me, at least. Fighting boss, I don't know who. Ah, kailangan niya ng prison cell. Dami akong iron. Sobra. Nasobrahan kami ng kuha. Kasi kailangan ko din siya for my prison cell. Yeah. Pero wala dito sa base ko pa. Nandun sa base nila nandun sa furnace ng base na Rio. Kasi wala pa akong kanina. Wala pa akong lutuan ng iron. Pero sobrang dami nun. Parang 7, no, more than 10 stacks ng tig 750. Nandun sa kilaro mo, father, not here. Look at here, father. My house starts here. I do not consider this here my house because look at what's here. Ito front lang to. Para mukhang disente yung nakatira. Parang mabait na tao. But this is the place where torture happens. Papunta yan sa kapitbahay kong mabait. Siyempre, front niya yan. May pa-maze-maze pa siya. Samantalang yung sa akin, bulok. Okay lang. Yung may front yard. Maganda nga. Okay lang, di ko kailangan. Nandiyan naman sa kapitbahay ko eh. Makikitanaw-tanaw na lang ako. I'm eating cucumber. I worry if rinig siya ng microphone while I'm munching. But yeah. Wait. What do I need? Yung nakuha niya. Siya, dominate siya. Refinement ata yun. Kaya hindi ko mahanap. Paper. Fiber. Anong gamit para sa yung gem cutting? Ito ba yun? Hindi, clothing to eh. Crafting iron weapons. Anong gamit para dun sa ano? Sa mga jewel? Mga gem? Hindi. Anong tawag dito? Anong production thingy for that? Like yung grinder, di ba, for the bricks and shit. What for gems? Or wala pa ako? Oh, okay. Amaya. Later then. Copper ingot, tsaka greater blood essence. I don't have greater blood essence with me. I'll knock out greater blood essence for now. I'll give it back next time. Thank you. Who got greater blood essence kaya? Dito ako nagkukuha kay laro mo. Ay, kay laro mo. Kila Rio. Kasi tulog silang lahat dito. Walang gising. They are all sleeping. Uy, ayan pala si Esme. What do you need? Pang prison cell. Eto dito. Meron ditong iron. Kuha ka isang stock. Eto may 187. Dito may 99. Tapos dito may 116. Dito, Father, kila Ryu. Kung nasan ako right now. Sa may taas, Father. Malapit sa, Haunted Iron Mine. Yung nasa taas nun. Yeah, yun, malapit sa... dito, Father, yung mga iron, mga pinaglalagay ko kanina. Reinforced, need mo? Reinforced plank. Wait lang, dito yung reinforced plank. Sa may... asan yung sawmill? Saan yung sawmill nila? Wala silang sawmill. Asan yung sawmill nila? Hindi. I'm looking for their sawmill. I'm not saying they're mahirap or anything. Oh, ang dami nilang coffin. Ganun talaga. At sila wala. Kasalanan nila. Wait lang. Wait lang. Need lang natin yan sa mill eh. Wala. Dasan yung mill nila? Weird. Plank plus ano yan? Nakita mo na yung sawmill nila? Ah, saan? Ah, eto pala. Eto, meron ako ditong ginawa kanina. Kunin mo na lang. Andito, reinforced plank. Ilan kailangan mo? Wala kasi akong storage eh. Kuha ka na lang dito. Nandito sa side na to.
You look right at home.
Yan. Ilang percent yan? Ah, nice. Bigyan mo muna siya ng pagkain. Mamamatay siya pag hindi. Tapos need mo ng ng empty glass. Dapat meron kang empty glass bottle para makakuha ng dugo from that guy. Ng empty bottle. Hindi ko lang po saan nagagawa yung empty bottle. Ay, dito. You need to put glass. For glass, you need quartz. I'm not sure if they have quartz here though, or glass. Now we can turn... You have glass? Oh, you can put it there. Uy, gising na si Calbs. Kasi nag-offline na siya sa Nag-offline na siya dito sa game. Yeah, you need to feed. Ah, wait lang. Kuha ko ng fish dun sa bahay ko ah. May fish ako dun isa eh. I don't have fodder. Tulog na yan. Wait lang, wait lang. I have fish. I'll give you fish. Hindi ko naman to binili. Finish ko lang to. Hindi na need. Patayin nyo na yan. Okay. Ay, yung greater blood essence na iwan ko. Pwede naman. 10% nga lang naman siya. Me? Nope. Let me check. I forgot. Naka-pendant na ako, father. Naka-pendant of warlock na ako. May nagtapon lang sa akin ito kanina umaga. Ay, may quartz pala akong dala. Ano ko nga yung quartz ko dito sa sarili kong... Ay, kaso sarado pa. Wala pa sa ko. Hindi pa siya kasama sa mga pwede kong gawin. Wala bang elevator tong bahay ko? Hirap mag-ikot-ikot ah. Oh, hindi ah. I have glass din pala dito. Tsaka may reinforced kami. I have glass. What do you need the glass for, Father? I have 12. Get it here. Anong tara? Asan ka? Bahay ni? Okay. Tulog-tulog din. Hello, Taka. Tulog-tulog. Walang tulog-tulog. Yeah. Sabi mo nga, 'di ba? Bakit ka pa matutulog kung gigising ka lang din naman? Words of wisdom from you. You're not applying. Ah. Tama, 'di ba? Sabi ni Taka, bakit ka matutulog kung gigising ka rin naman? Bakit ka kakain? Magugutom ka lang din ulit. Words of wisdom from Takahari. Basta tandaan mo lang na ang importante ay mahalaga. Yes, I believe. Huh? Ba't ako nagdodota siya? Ba't kasalanan ko, Father? I did not bully anyone. Ang dami namang hide kailangan nito. Eto, dito ko ilalagay. Etong chest ang bantay ng mga prisoner ko. I mean, not prisoner but my guests. Nice. Command servant. Wala pa akong servant. Ano? Coffin. I need to make one muna. I don't want to go there yet. I need to put this one 2 times. Huh? Wow, Father. Why are you doing this to me, Father? I did not. I did not. I did not. Hindi po ako mangiwan. Ako po yung iniwan. Uhuhu. I don't know where I put my horsey. I'll just get a new one maybe. Nako, humugot. Nako. Iba na yan, guys. Uy. Sun is rising. Ano ang kailangan ko dito? Ba't ako nagpunta? Greater blood essence. Kaya akong ganyan. Uy! I died!
Cannot go on.
Umaga kasi. Need to put something on that spot. Since hindi ko pa siya nalalagyan ng bubong. Puti na lang sa base ko to.
I am awake once more.
Ako. Wala. Wala, Father. Thank you very much, Father. I want... I want the Castlevania Father Kamsamnida. Pwede yan sa akin, Father. Para mag-up ng level. What to do? We Gucci, we Gucci. Wait lang. We Gucci, we Gucci. I want to like build some stables, but I don't like it to be inside my place. I'm planning to like get the area next to me. Like malayo na yung next one. Yeah, I'm trying to like check where I can have my stables. Pwede naman dito. Kaso parang ang tedious naman if I will like have my stables there. But I cannot use this area eh. I have something to do with that one. Okay naman sila dito siguro sa loob. Pwede naman sila dito. Gawin ko na lang tong bukas na area. Ayun, I can have that place. Should I open this spot so that maluwag yung stables? I mean, okay lang naman na nandito sila sa loob. Dalawa? I need two. One white, one black horse. Wala kayong horse? Oh shit, why so many? Paliw pala kayo eh. Hindi niyo kaaway.
I'll have a seat. Sanguine regeneration.
Almost. Hindi ko pa na-try ito. Pa-try nga. I see. Horsey, where's the horsey?
I must make room if I want to carry that.
Let's go home for now.